Woza besambe, woza. Empini sothini, empini sothini, umasingenawe, kithi empini sothini, umasingenawe, kithi empini sothini. Empini sothini, empini, umasingenawe, kithi malusi nombusi, simemeza wena ebusuku, siqhube ngendlela, oh, kithi malusi nombusi. Malusi nombusi, oh, alusike, siqhube ngendlela, kithi malusi nombusi, malusi, umasingenawe. Temba Teludemba tenkosi, teludemba tenkosi, kithi noma kwenyu kunamathunzi amnyama, kithi noma kwenyu kunamathunzi amnyama, teludemba tenkosi, demba tenkosi, demba tenkosi, demba tenkosi. Was a freak. Was a hole. Kithi noma kwenyu kunamathunzi amnyama, teludemba tenkosi, demba tenkosi, teludemba tenkosi, demba tenkosi. Teludemba tenkosi, demba tenkosi, teludemba tenkosi.
To the family, we extend our heartfelt condolences to you during this difficult time. We would like to express our deepest sympathies for the loss of your beloved one. Our thoughts and prayers are with you, and we hope that you find comfort and strength in the midst of sorrow. During times like these, it can be comforting to lean on the Word of God. In reflection of this, we would like to share a Bible verse with you. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34, verse 18. May this verse serve as a reminder that even in the darkest moments, God's love and presence are with you, offering solace and support. For over 20 years, GS Funeral Parlor has been committed to providing compassionate and dignified services, ensuring that your loved ones are laid to rest in glory. GS Funeral Parlor, resting in God.